Alright guys, back at it again with the little baby cakes. Look at my toppings. Oh, Lord Jesus.
So yeah, this icing is chocolate and peanut butter. So I was like, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try it.
So,
I'm finna, you know what I'm saying, work some magic.
oh yeah, and if you want to see how I made this cake batter and how I made my peanut butter fudge icing and how I made my my toppings, my crumbs, check the description box. It's linked in there. Alright, so I was gonna put 6 of them in there, but as you can see,
This one has a double cup. That is very much good luck, and I'm very much eating it. So
I'm just gonna put 5 in here, and you know what I'm saying? You guys, I'm finna peek at it. See what she doing. Oh. Okay. Sneak peek. I'm finna close the oven back. Oh yeah. She bouncing. I'm finna ice this cake and do my toppings.